All right, you guys, I am excited to be sharing with you guys the collagen postcards and Protanum. So the Healthy Glow Stack postcards, a great tool. This does not take away from 15 presentations per month, but it is another tool to help you meet people that maybe otherwise you wouldn't have. So these are being used by going out, and you can talk to somebody, and if they're interested in learning more, there is a QR code they can scan, and that'll take them right to your web page to the Healthy Glow Stack. That's what we're going to create today. But if you wanted to go into nail salons, hair salons, spas, etc., talk with the owner, share a little bit of information, and ask if you can leave a stack of cards, you might end up having new customers from that you would have never otherwise known who they were. And so it's simple by just having this information. There's before and after pictures on the front. And on the back, there's some before and after pictures, as well as the internal and external benefits of taking Protanum NRF2 and liquid collagen activator. So it's really simple. I'm going to share my screen and kind of show you how to create this in a PowerPoint. So I already created the PowerPoint, but it's a simple of editing information. So let me share my screen, and I am going to, I think we'll just do desktop really quick. All right, so now you get to see me. Awesome. Let's minimize this, and here we go. So this right here is the PowerPoint presentation that I just simply created, that you can actually edit the QR code. You can edit, let me make this bigger. You can edit the QR code. You can edit the website here, phone number and name. Okay. The rest of it's just a copy paste image. Nothing else is editable. If you really wanted to change different pictures, you can insert a picture up here through insert pictures from your files and put them to size. That's a lot more than what I'm going to cover on this little call, because I don't think we need to change any pictures. But if you really wanted to, that is how you're going to overlap a picture on top of that. So how we create a QR code is you're going to go to the website that you want the QR code for. So when you get to your browser, you go to the website that you want. So this one is my website for the Healthy Glow Stack. Let's go ahead and make everybody smaller or gone. Okay, so Healthy Glow Stack, and it's my website, right? So simple as coming up to this little share button, create QR code. Ta-da! That difficult and that simple all at the same time. So you go to whatever website you want it to be linked to, that you want somebody to be able to scan the QR code on your card, and it will take them directly to this website. But it would, instead of it being mine, you would do this for you. And so you would go through here and create this. So once you have that, you just hit download and you save the name. Let's go like this. And I just save the name and save. And there you have it. Now you have that QR code. So when you go back to your PowerPoint, you click on the QR code you want to change. You right click and say change picture from file. And you find your name. As you saw, I have a bunch, and you don't realize it, but it did change the picture. So I'm going to show you on my phone. I always double check this. So I just come up to this and I scan the QR code. And if you guys can see that, it takes me to the QR code for the Healthy Glow Stack. Okay, so now somebody can scan that, and then they can just simply add it to their order and check out. And it's that simple. Okay, so this is the front and back. Again, nothing editable on the back. It's just a picture, an image of it. And the only thing editable on here is the QR code, the name. So I'd come down here and I'd change this to Katrina. I think it's Y. and I change my phone number and I change the name. And then from there, what you're going to do is export it and pick again the name. Let's see, I have a bunch. I'm just looking for mine. I'm going to export it because I'm not going to. All right, so then you export it as a PDF, export, and then you have a PDF that you can then upload to Vistaprint, to Staples, to wherever, and order your own personal postcards. So it's that simple to have those. Let's say you wanted to create a QR code for, let's say you wanted to create one. Now this gets beyond your complicated changing out the pictures and stuff. But say you wanted one for the hair care system and you wanted to put in some information on the hair care system, you just go to whatever website, come up here and create QR code. And I would download hair care system QR code, save. Okay, so then I would have that. So it is literally that simple. So it takes a whole whopping, I don't know, 2 minutes tops. Once you know what you're doing, you just change out the image, you change out the name information and create a QR code for that. Yeah, I don't know, maybe you guys have some questions. If that didn't make any sense, then I could answer them.
Can you do that for just your website as well?
Yep, you can create it if you wanted to have, like, some people, I don't do business cards just because it's not a great way to stay in control of your business. I want somebody's phone number. But some people have business cards. It's a big thing now for offices, doctor's offices, whatever, where instead of typing out the entire web page, they just have a QR code with their name on a business card. So you could do the same thing for a postcard for your website. Maybe you wanted to highlight the Tri-Synergizer. If you wanted to create different postcards for different things, you could. This one, everybody knows and loves collagen and wants collagen. And that's why this is so powerful, is because people love collagen. And it's such a hot topic right now. The fact that ours is activating our bodies sets it completely apart from anything else. And I will say, just an experience from us dropping these off and talking to salon owners is my sister went into several different around here, and she would show this to them and explain that it was liquid and everything else. And then they would ask like some questions that made her think that it wasn't liquid. And so she'd pull out a bottle and they'd go, "Oh, it's liquid." And so she's been saving her collagen bottles, rinsing them out so that when she goes into the salon, she can leave a empty collagen bottle for display so people can actually see that it's liquid. Again, that's no cost to you because you're already taking the product. You just recycle those and ask the salon owner if you can leave one up in there, and then keep them with you, because what if you run into somebody at the airport or while you're traveling or something like that, and if they're interested, you can give them one of these and still get their contact information, right? You still want to stay in control of your business, but then they have something tangible that they can take with them. And the internal and external benefits that are listed on the back, oh my goodness, it's phenomenal. So anyway, any other questions? I could, let's see.
I just have a comment.
Sure.
You are glowing.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Is it my healthy glow stack?
It must be. Well, you're already beautiful, but you are glowing, girl.
Thank you.
You're wearing it well.
Thank you. Any other questions? All righty, I'm going to stop this live. And Marilyn.